I made a book. It's called A Spoon for the Air. It has pictures in it and pages. And I'll read the last time to you and to cheeky you. This is called The Clouds Chase the Birds Through the Maddened Sky. In a day of dreams, I saw the clouds chase the birds through the maddened sky, until I did not know chase from dance, but that all is a hopeful move from death. And as the birds in turn follow butterflies in their escape, I know that blood and breath are all a song away from the end, until fleet and pursuit are one circle of chance, and the air is alive in itself, and that we are as it is and will be forever in this unquiet sky. What do you reckon, Cheeky? Cheeky's probably crapped on my shoulder. Have you crapped on my shoulder? Oh no, it's a feather. It's a feather. Yeah. Cheeky the demented parakeet. Never worked with children and animals.